trampoline. No, I'm waiting. Oh, let me clean the swimming pool. Oh, swimming pool is clean.
Do you want my little home? Do you want my bed?
That's your bed? Ah.
I see my body here.
Let's see if there's a strawberry. Let's see if there's strawberry, guys. Ayan, may strawberry pa.
In my new home.
Is that your new home? Oh, Jelana, plane.
Yeah, we did that. We did that, Mom.
Na plane. You know all the plane now?
Yeah.
Let's go company daddy. He's by himself there. He's fixing your stuff, so he's not gonna fix it. Come on, let's bring your bike.
Wait, in it?
Yep. Why are you hiding it?
Okay. You want my where is the pond, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You like this one? It's an apron. Where is it, Mom?
Airplane.
No, where is this one? Not apron. This?
Yeah.
Do that. What is this one?
Calculator.
What? Where is this one?
Ball.
Where is this one?
Pen.
Where is this one?
Measuring tape. Measurement.
What is this?
Earplug. That's kaka.
What is this?
Coffee mug.
You say it to be.
Ano siya? Kinder pa lang si Jelana.
Tada. It's in my new home.
Oo nga, pasukan na.
Dad, you say,
Kinder.
I do this.
Kasi ano, iba dito eh. Yan. October kasi yung birthday niya. Janala, you gonna be kindergarten?
Yeah.
You like it? Are you excited to go to school?
Yeah.
Did you buy your school supplies already?
No.
No?
Yes.
You bought it already?
Yeah. I got it already.
You bought your school supplies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go see Daddy.
What is? We do this. This you want here? Oh. Where is this pond?
BC.
Where is the pond?
Oh, okay. Oo. Kinder siya sa pasukan. 6 years old. Ay, how old are you, Jelana? 5? 5.
Chả thấy má tròn.
Trabaho muna siya. Pang school supply. Ito na naman kambal. 2 hands? 2 hands. Not 1 hand. Really? Where's Jade is Jade is Stop! Stop lang.